Ardx is down roughly 14% in this pre-market session of today, the 2nd of May 2025. We can see an intraday low of $4.3. It printed yesterday, I think yesterday's pre-market when the news came out, and it has actually recovered some of those losses. It was a huge miss, I think. It was a huge miss. So the company reported $214 million in cash, down from $250.1 million in 2024, with a net loss of $41.1 million for the quarter. So that's a huge, huge miss. So as things stand right now, it's not expected to rebound back to the highs it plunged from, not even anywhere close. It's expected to consolidate, move sideways with a slight bias to the downside at various times. A slight bias, okay, well, just let's just say a consolidation within the range of 4.75 and 4.75 and 4.46, just a quite a narrow range for the best part of May. For the best, sorry, for the best. This is the 4-hour chart, so between today and the Tuesday the 13th of May, this is what is expected, projected, or extrapolated to happen. That may not be the case. May not be case. That may not be the case. It has already recovered some ground, So if it continues to rebound in this session, in this pre-market session, and in the regular session, then the range may be something else. But this is not out of place. A consolidation after a climatic event is usually natural. So if it rallies, if it rebounds tomorrow or in the coming session, at some point it will definitely consolidate. It will definitely do so. So it's just a matter of time. So extrapolation of all the moving averages on this 4-hour chart is to the downside. So there isn't. We're not going to look at the daily chart because it doesn't reflect what's going on right now. What it only recorded was only a loss of 0.64%, but things have since changed in the post-market session and in this pre-market session. What else we can do is just quickly have a look at the market grid to get an idea of where it is trading. Okay, let's see now. Get the market grid and see. So what we have here, let's go down and see. Okay, so it's the upper line of the lower point of the price channel is 3.99. The upper value of the price channel is 498. This is the exit price, and this is the entry price. So the values the range in between all those two values is 4.1 to 4.86, and it's currently trading at 4.67. So let's see, 4.67 is where it's currently trading at right now. So it is just getting back into its resistance zone. So let's see now. Let's see where that plunges. 4.3 was that's intraday low. 4.3. Okay, that also corresponds. That's 4.3 is just slightly above, in between these two support values. So it actually didn't so we could just conclude or even deduce that maybe it didn't actually plunge as much as it could have. It didn't plunge as much as it could have. So it could have been worse. But I know to deep bias, if it did plunge as much, then that would have been good. But for the holders, it's not it's quite good that it didn't plunge as much. So yeah, as things are right now, it's coming back into resistance zone, into its resistance zone, based on how things are right now. So in the intermediate range, in the interim, 4.98 will be a signal not to be cautious. As a matter of fact, a signal to make sure that you shouldn't be holding the stock anymore. I know indeed it plunged from the highs of 5.42, and yeah. But outside of all of this, the stock has been showing some strength, has been rebounding. You can see that has been just the day before now. The trend has been a bullish one before now. So all of these moving averages are now bearish. All of them are now bearish. You can see started to rally from the 10th of April, and yeah, climatically plunged all the way down to where it is at right now. So um, let's see now. What are the projections? Upper projections, do we have any? We don't really have any on this 4 hour chart, but yeah, there are some projections there, some, but they're not in play. We have 5.09. Okay, yes, that's it. One of them 5.09, and these ones are not in play. 5.22, 5.50, and 5.66. Is it 5.66? Yeah, 5.66 not in play, but they are quite relevant because they may serve as resistances, they may serve as support. So given this plunge, it plunged through all these supports here, all these downward projections. It plunged through all of them. But it was just contained right in between 4.5 and 4.45. Yeah. So this is we obviously know that here it's on Think and Swim. It plunged all the way down to 4.3. Yeah. So that's how things are right now. It's expected to consolidate up till the 13th of May. It may even continue to consolidate beyond that date. So just see what you make of Ardx, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.